Well, hey, welcome to the OneCat.biz WordPress training video. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to get a full text RSS feed. And first, let's just see what the difference is between an RSS feed that just uses a partial post compared to one that uses a full post. So right here on the OneCat.biz RSS feed, you'll see we're using a full text RSS feed. It shows my image. Now, not all RSS readers are going to show the image, but in this case it does. It shows the image. It shows the full post all the way down to the bottom. So now let's look at one that is not. That's just an excerpt, like how-to of the day, for instance. It just shows about a paragraph, and then you have to click on the actual title here and link to the website to see the rest of the post. Well, in WordPress, there's the way that you get a full text RSS feed to your blog is that, or from your blog to your RSS feed, is that you go to your, you log into your admin, and you click on Options, and then you click on the Reading tab. There's syndication and feeds. For each article, show the full text versus summary, and then you hit Update Options, and what that'll do is now you'll see if we go back here to our RSS reader. This deer-hunt.com, this one we just did the change to it. Now you won't see this happen this fast in your RSS feed. You have to post and then wait for it to update, but that's already happened with this one. So now here you'll see on this article, it shows our full article, okay, without any interruptions. And remember, we have this set in options to full text RSS. Now you'll notice here on the second story, Hunting the Crowded Public Lands, it shows the article all the way down to the More button. Now this is where we run into a problem. So if we come back and look at our blog, we'll notice that the first story here is the full story. We didn't include the More tag. Every other story, it's a partial, it's just a little bit of the story, and then we put the More tag in, so they click on it to read and comment on the rest of the story. So what happens without the full text RSS feed plugin, if you use the More tag in your post, then you're going to run into this problem. So there's a handy little plugin, and you can go and download it right here. And there's a link to it right below this video. That what it does, WordPress 2.1 introduced a nasty little feature to feed. Instead of abiding by your feed preferences, WordPress will truncate your feed's content anywhere you insert this More tag. The full text feed undoes this functionality, allowing your feeds to contain the full text regardless of the More tag. And so if we come back here, and I've already uploaded this plugin into my plugins folder, but so if I come back to my plugins area and I scroll down to the full text feed and I activate it, then what it's going to do, even though I use the More tag in my post, it's still going to display the entire post in my RSS feed. And that's exactly what I've done with OneCat.biz. If you go to the home page of my site, OneCat.biz, of my blog, you'll see that my full articles aren't displaying everywhere, on the home page or even in the category. There was a Read the Story button, and that's because I've used the Read More tag in all of these. But if you go to my feed, you'll notice, of course, that it is displaying the entire feed. And that's doing that because the full text RSS feed plugin is telling it to let the More tag do its thing on the site, by the way it displays on the site, so that there's a Read More button. But then when it posts to the feed, display the full feed in the feed aggregator. And so that's why you would want to use the full text RSS feed plugin in addition to setting your blog preferences under Options and Reading to full text. So it gives you the best of both worlds. You get a full text RSS feed, and you get the advantage of having the Read More button on your blog. Thanks for watching this OneCat.biz how-to WordPress tutorial. We'll see you next time.